Let's get your phone connected to your 2016-2023 Toyota Tacoma's Bluetooth system. The process varies slightly depending on your Tacoma's year and your phone, iPhone or Android, but the core steps are the same. First, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. In your phone's settings, turn on Bluetooth. In your Tacoma, press the menu or setup button on the touchscreen. Navigate to Bluetooth under Setup or Phone Audio. Select Add Device or Pair New Device. The system will display a passkey. On your phone, find the Tacoma in your Bluetooth settings and enter the passkey if prompted. For newer models, 29 Plus, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available. You might need to initially connect via USB, then select the wireless option on the screen. Having trouble connecting? Here are some quick fixes. If pairing fails, delete old Bluetooth devices from both your phone and the Tacoma. Reset the head unit by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Make sure your phone's software is up to date. Toyota releases updates to improve compatibility. For iPhones, temporarily disable Wi-Fi during pairing. Android users should enable location services. If you're still struggling, check Toyota's support site for specific troubleshooting guides or contact your local dealership. Remember, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto require compatible phones, iOS 14 Plus or Android 11 Plus. Keeping your system updated ensures the best performance and security.